Finding seats should not be so difficult. What if there is an easier way to do this? Introducing the appetite system. As you approach the food court, there will be machines at the entrance of the food court to serve as ticketing counters. 3 queues help to separate customers into 3 sections for more efficient seat allocation. The express lane is for small groups of people willing to sit separately. Normal lane is for large groups of diners. And finally, we have the takeaway lane. Inspired by movie theaters, this screen on the gantry will show you the seating map of the food court, the whole situation in real time, right in front of you. Please select the seat you want, and if you have friends with you, just go ahead and select their seats for them. When you're done, tap confirm and a ticket will be printed to show your seat. No more weaving through overwhelming crowds for something as simple as finding seats for lunch. After collecting your seat, the gantry will open and you may proceed. Because you know that the seat is already there waiting for you when you enter the food court, you can purchase your food immediately with a peace of mind. And when you have bought your food, you know exactly where your seat is to enjoy your meal. Our system allows diners to view seat availability and choose their own seats from it. We hope that this will connect them to their seats more easily and in a shorter time. Appetite, a better system, a better world.